Hi guys, welcome to Selpin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna bake a carrot cake. So today, all the ingredients we're gonna use. We have 6 large grate of carrot. We have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We have 1 teaspoon of grate of nutmeg. We have 1.5 cup of brown sugar. We have 3/4 cup of cooking oil. We have half a teaspoon of salt. We have 2 cups of self-raising flour. We have 4 eggs. So we're gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. Baking powder, we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Baking soda, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna use some lemon zest. So today in Selpin Kitchen, we're gonna bake a carrot cake. Hi guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put in the carrot is the first thing first step. So this is 6 large grated carrot. I want to get all of that carrot out. So 6 large grated carrot. So I'm gonna add in the oil. 1/4 cup of oil. Give that a mix. Gonna add in 4 eggs. I have the mixer and I can use the mixer, but I'm just gonna use a spoon. So I'm just gonna grate some lemon zest in it. So today in Selpin Kitchen, we're gonna bake a very tasty carrot cake. So 1 lemon zest in there. So guys, I just add in my egg, my oil, my lemon zest. So now I just gonna add in 1.5 cup of brown sugar. So 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Let's give it a nice mix. Mix in all of that sugar there. So now I'm just gonna add in my dry ingredients together: my flour, my baking powder, my baking soda, my nutmeg, my salt. I'm just gonna add in everything in one. Then I'm gonna give this a mix. So mix up all of my dry spice. Just gonna give this one a sieve. So I don't want no lump in it or nothing like that. So 2 cup of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt. So all of this, we don't want this in there, so we're going to throw this away. So this is a mix. I have this mixer, but I ain't gonna use it today, so today I'm just gonna use a spoon. So I'm gonna mix all of that sugar, all of that nutmeg, all of that vanilla. So I'm gonna put 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. Look at that, people. So I want to mix all of that dry flour at the side, get everything out. So this is carrot cake in Selvin Kitchen. So guys, Marissa is mixing my carrot cake. Go on, Marissa. Good job. Hold your two hands and mix it. Run and like that. Now you have to cook first before you eat it. What do you have to say to my YouTube fan, Marissa?
Subscribe to that YouTube channel. Please comment down below and click the subscribe button so you don't miss any video.
Yeah, people, my daughter said please subscribe and please comment down below. And hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any video. So me and Marissa are in the kitchen today. We're baking a carrot cake. So guys, I'm just gonna put in my carrot cake in the oven. I'm gonna put it around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Sorry for that steam, guys. So I will check that another 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes I'm gonna give it a check. Guys, this is my carrot cake. It was in the oven for the last 35 minutes. I'm just gonna test it.
You have to use.
I'm just gonna test it now. If it cooks, I'll just stick the fork in the middle. You need to cook some more. I'm gonna put it in for another 20 minutes. When it come out like this, sticky on the fork, you need to put it back in the oven.
Yeah.
So we don't want nothing on that knife. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven for around 20 minutes. Hi guys, this is my carrot cake. I just take it out of the oven, in the oven for the last 50 minutes. So this is my carrot cake. I just take it out, look at it. Oh, beautiful brown color. So what you want to know if your carrot cake cooked, just get a knife like that. Stick it right down in the middle. Pull it out. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna let this cool now for around an hour before I cut it. So this is my carrot cake. Hi guys, this is my carrot cake. I take it out of the oven from a couple hours and everything cool now, so I slice it up. So this is my carrot cake. It's all finished now. Look at it, people. Look at that beautiful color. Nice. So please subscribe to my YouTube page and please share and like with your friends and family, and your WhatsApp and your Instagram and your Facebook. And guys, so thanks for watching. So I'll see you guys in the next video.